Today I'm going to briefly go over how to use this universal design database I created for my master's thesis at Texas A&M University. First off, if you're designing a product and you know what the function is in a product, various functions, you can click the browse database, see if there is a function that's similar to one you're thinking of. In this case, I'll pick secure. And you can see here that there is a bar graph here showing all the products studied and whether there's a parametric, morphological, or function design change affiliated with each of those 20 product pairs, as well as whether or not the secure function occurred for both of the products in the product pairs, or there's typical or universal. So this chart is just a visual eye candy, I guess you could say. The percents used is here in the database, so typically a higher the number, the better for your design. If you know the number of functions in your product, you can estimate, say I want 10 total functions for, I don't know, let's say a pruners or whatever. If it's 10, then you can click on the number, the skills required to use this product. In this case, if it's something a hand tool, hand and arm manipulation, clicking the number of suggested design changes, you can figure out an approximate number of functions. Now you'd want around this, of course, these are decimals, this is a rough estimate. Finally, if you want to satisfy the principles of universal design, you can just click on the 7 principles I studied, and for each of these principles there is an activity, in this case enter, function, transport human, and a design change, in this case is a function change. So you'd want to use this correlation for your activity diagram, your functional model for your product that you're designing, that you're creating. And there's also a little how-to thing I'd created as well, a sequential step-by-step arrangement for how to use this database.